So in this video we're going to talk about how we can track the session by using cookies in Express. So cookies are basically a piece of data and they are sent from the server to the client side like the user's browser. So the cookies are stored in the browser and there are multiple purposes of that. So first of all, it can be used for the session management. So the cookies will help us manage the session of a logged in user. So the user will keep logged in while navigating the website. And secondly, cookies can be used for personalization. That means if one user has set some personalized language or theme, that can be tracked with the help of the cookies. And thirdly, cookies can be used to track one particular user. So we can use the cookies to track the behavior like the clicks of one user, the views by the user, and the interaction of the user in a website. And also cookies can be used to remember the items that we add in the cart of a e-commerce website. And also cookies can be used to enhance the security, and it can be used to verify that the requests are legitimate. And also cookies can be helpful in case of form fill-ups. So while filling the forms, the cookies can help us remember the inputs so that the user don't lose their progress. And also cookies can be used to show personalized ads to one particular user. So the cookies will help to track the behavior and serve personalized ads to the user. So these are the primary usage of cookies. So in the next video we're going to see how we can set cookies, how we can read the cookies, and how we can clear cookies in Express. So see you in the next one. Take care.